but I'm gonna do these clips every now and then. Alright, we are back right now, and it is right now about 1:13 right now in the morning, and we just had yet another rain band come through from the tropical storm Hanna, and right now we're having a break right now, but it's not going to last too long because the main storm is going to be coming next. The actual tropical storm. As you know, I'm in my car, yet I attempted to fall asleep, which I so far was unsuccessful because all the lights were on, so I shut everything down, so now I should be able to fall asleep. But anyway, I just want to give you a little update on the there's no rain going on right now. It's just new stuff going on. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night because I'm tired, and so is my car, so I think we are both gonna go to sleep now. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Okay.